Arşimed Medical was founded in 2004 in Istanbul to provide high-technology products for national and international markets, and has started to serve in the medical sector. With its long years of manufacturing experience, customer expectations, understanding of high quality with its experienced technical staff, and with its strong machine park, Archimed brand place a signature advanced technology products. Archimed Medical has the excitement of sharing the knowledge and experience with our esteemed customers. We increase the product variety in the direction of customer demands day by day and serves with a continuously updated and renewed product range. Arsimed closely follows the change and development all over the world, as well as customer feedbacks, and aims to be a preferred brand in the sector. Our aim, serving Arsimed products to the medical sector with a quality of world standards. Our company produces dialysis and chemotherapy chairs, blood collection chairs, ENT chairs, skincare and hair transplantation chairs, gynecological tables, proctology and surgical tables, pediatric examination tables, patient beds, ICU patient beds, and stretchers. Our imaginations are designed by experienced engineers together with our customers' expectations. In our factory, we have the latest technology computer-controlled CNC laser tube, sheet cutting machines, welding robots, CNC lathe milling machine, full automatic electrostatic powder painting systems, plastic thermoforming and injection machines. Our production is carried out by our trained personnel according to ISO 9001, 2015 and ISO 13485 standards. Despite being a medium-sized company, it has been recognized in the medical sector for a short time thanks to the importance given to quality and the difficulty of achieving it since the first time it was established and never gave up its principles. Arsimed Medical continues to pursue this goal with all its employees, keeping up with the high-quality production of Arsimed Medical, which is determined to be an indispensable aim to compete in the national and international market. Our company's unchanging principles have always been quality, service, on-time delivery, and reasonable pricing to provide the highest level of customer satisfaction to be the best in the field of services that we provide, rising in the quality of life, and follow up and using of the latest technologies in the field, an ongoing basis constantly adding new values every day to itself. Instead of quality products to the specific customer mentality, serves as quality products to everybody manner, with a continuous working to develop partnerships, aiming to keep employee satisfaction at the highest level and as well as consider about work and worker safety. Finally, our aim to be a model and a step ahead of the companies who are in the same field of activity. Sincerely thanks to our physicians, employees, customers, suppliers, and all of the friends shedding light on our efforts to succeed in our work and technology environment we live in.